What's up everyone, it's your host Jackeal, your guide to living with Apple every day, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to put your AirTag inside the plastic AirTag holders and the silicone, rubber, or plastic AirTag holders as well. So whether you like it hard or you like it soft and malleable, I'm going to show you how to put it in both. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's how to install your new AirTag on both the plastic AirTag holder and the plastic, rubber, or silicone AirTag holders. For the plastic one, it's usually like a twist off. Then you put it on. Sorry, they're doing construction in my apartment building. And then you gotta line it up. Line up the grooves. Oh. And twist it on, and that's it. Done. Put it in your keychain. Or you just throw it in your bag. You don't need to attach a keychain or anything to it. And then you twist off to take it out again. And I put this part here because originally I Velcroed it to the back of things. But now I don't Velcro it. So for the rubber, plastic, or silicone ones, it's slightly easier, or not, depending on your preference. And then you so you slide it in like that, and you work your way around to pull out. Yeah, I think you're supposed to pull out a little bit of it, and then boom, it snaps in. There are some issues with this one though, is that over time, depending on how much you jostle it, it does get stretched out and stretched out and stretched out until the point where the AirTag just falls out and then you're stuck finding your AirTag all the time. Pros and cons to each. This one, it can untwist, but if you have it keychained, it can only twist out so far because then it's stuck by your keychain. Whereas this, there's nothing keeping it in place if it were to just over time get loose and slip out. So pros and cons to each depending on what suits your fancy. Make sure you subscribe for more Apple tips.